Hey, hello guys, how are you all? Welcome to our another video, and today in this video we're going to learn some codes that will help us to make a website fast. So today in this video we're going to learn the link code. Using the code you can create a link. So at first I am opening this index.html file in a browser and using a notepad. So open this. So it will open by browser. So now if you want to open this using notepad, so right click on this, so choose open with, then here you can see the notepad. So click here, then it will open, then open same. So in the previous video we learned to this. So today in this we are going to learn a code which will help us to take output of a link. So to use the codes, we are going to write basic things that is greater than. So write that, then click, then write here a. Then we're going to write things called herp, which is the short form of this, but the long form of this is hyper reference. So click write equal, then double quotation. Then in this we need to import a URL, which is, and that must have to be a specific URL. So I'm going to show you this later. So write the closing tag of this, then write here anything. I'm going to write click here. I'm going to write this, then go to file and then save this code like previous, then refresh this page, then you can see the link here, and this has underline. And when I'm overing this, when I'm put the cursor on this, then the cursor is changing. So if we want to keep this under this button, so we are going to use a we're going to use a code called br, and this code has no closing. In HTML have some codes which has no closing, and today we shall talk about those codes. After any video we shall talk about the codes, so stay with us for the codes. And now we're going to keep this link under the button. So save this file and refresh this. You can see now the link is under the button. So if we add some more beer tags and save this, then refresh, so you can see our link has gotten, and this is most visible and beautiful visible. So now if we click here, so the link is not working, but if we want that the link will work, and when we shall click on this, it will take us to the google.com. So for that we need to write a link google.com. So if we save this and refresh this, so if we click here, so it will take us to the google.com, but it is not taking us. So if we want to make this worker, so we need to write this https://www.youtube dot not youtube but google.com. So now if we refresh this, so if we click here now, so it is taking us to this google.com. So must we need to use https:// and www dot. So now if we want to open this link results in a new tab, so we are going to use an attribute called target. So use a target attribute to open this link in a new tab, and in this target attribute double quotation, in this double quotation we are going to write blank. So write blank, then save this file and refresh. So if you click here, so you can see this is our file and this is our result. If we click here again, so you can see our link already has been opened in a new tab, so I hope you're clear. So if we want to add a side note, that when we shall hover on this, she will show a text what mention that where will go the link. So we can also do that. So right here and write attribute called target. So in this target attribute, we can write a side note like I'm going to right click here to go Google, but we need to use a preposition called to. So if we save this and without a refresh, if we hover on this, so you can see nothing here. But if we refresh this and hover again, so you can see here a site note called click here to go Google. So in some videos you can see this some in some websites you can see this like youtube.com. If we visit youtube.com like something, if I visit youtube.com, so here you can see the YouTube logo. So if I hover on this, you can see a side note YouTube home. So like this we are using this for mention where this link actually will go. So I hope this is the useful video for you that how to create a link in HTML. So if you feel this is informative video, so please like this video and stay with us for subscribe this channel. So please subscribe this channel for be a member of our channel. So bye for this video.